Tuesday, 26 December, Saint Stephen. Focus. I see the Son of Man. When Stephen was brought before the council, we read that gazing at him, all who sat in the council saw that his face was like the face of an angel. After that, he had delivered his stirring speech on salvation history and was about to be stoned to death. He saw the glory of God. From where did Stephen burst out on the scene like this? He is first mentioned as one of the 7 deacons that were appointed to serve at table, and described as a man full of faith and of the Holy Spirit. Prior to this, almost nothing is known for the first Christian martyr. How did Stephen achieve this? It did not come by magic. He had certainly studied the scriptures given the erudite speech he made. He was inclined towards God. Divine grace worked powerfully in him, and he responded. Stephen was so full of zeal for the Lord and so busy serving the people that he must have had no time for worry, material attachment, or any kind of negativity. It is as if the words Jesus spoke were meant for him. Do not be anxious how you are to speak or what you are to say. Fruit. If Stephen could see Christ in heaven, it was because he saw Christ in everyone he served. Can I serve as he did? Ministering to the simple needs of people.